Hi, I'm John Birmingham with the Board of Supervisors here in Upper Mount Bethel, and we're at the Mount Bethel Firehouse. And JC, this is my son, JC. Are you having fun at the firehouse?
Yes, at Mount Bethel Fire Company.
I'm sorry, Mount Bethel Fire Company. I got to get it right. And what do you love about the firefighters?
I like them because the fire trucks.
You like the fire trucks, and do they help people?
Yes.
Hi, I'm here with Dale Handelong and Chris Finan. Chris is the fire chief of the Mount Bethel Fire Department, and Dale is the vice president. And Dale, how long you been a firefighter?
39 years.
And Chief, how about you?
24 years.
Excellent. Now, let me just ask you, Chief, if one wants to become a volunteer firefighter, what do they do?
You can go to our website, mountbethelfire.com. You can fill out a request for information on there. It sends us an email, and then we can get back to you. Or you can just stop by on any Monday night at 7 o'clock. We're here every Monday night at 7 o'clock, and we can give you an application and start the process from there. No experience necessary. We'll train you. We'll buy you the gear, whatever you want. And if you don't want to be a firefighter and you just want to join to help out with administration stuff, we'll accept that also. We need all the help we can get.
Great. And Chief, how many firefighters do you have at this time?
Roughly about 30.
That's fantastic. Now, Dale, wanted to ask you about the Mount Bethel Fire Department emergency shelter. I've been working with you on that for a while now. Where are we at in the process?
Well, we're pretty much just waiting right now for the environmental grant permit to go through, so they could do the environmental survey to make sure everything's all set. There's nothing that we could damage or anything like that. And we're trying to get another grant because the delay of the project went up, so we're trying to get 2 more grants to fulfill the obligation of funding it.
Now, we had the pandemic come, and that kind of slowed us down. Then the materials skyrocketed in price, but now we feel we're at a good point that we can start building this thing and getting it moving forward.
Yeah, I think we're looking for around March or April to break ground next year.
Okay, and do you have any idea how long it'll take if we start, let's say, April 1st? How long it'll take to get the whole project completed?
I'd say probably about 7-8 months.
Okay, great. So we are making steps forward. We're going to have an emergency shelter here. We're looking to have it done by the end of 2024. And then if there's ever power outages, any sort of natural disasters, people can come down here to seek refuge.
Yeah, there'll be showers for men and women. And also, we're going to have a little spot for pets and stuff like that because people have pets. So we have to make sure they have the resource to take their pets with them to go. But it's a great necessity, not just for the Upper Mount Bethel Township residents, but for the surrounding community because there's nothing around really that could really help them like this is going to be. So it's going to be very beneficial for the area.
Okay, well, guys, thank you so much, and thank you for all you do. And remember, these guys are volunteers. They don't get paid for what they do, and that's why all of the firefighters, Mount Bethel, North Bangor, you're all heroes in our town. So thank you, guys.
Thanks, John.
And do they put out fires?
Yes.
And do they do this on their own spare time?
Yes.
And tell me, what do you like about the firefighters?
Because I like to see all the things.
Yeah, and do you like that they help people?
Yes.
Okay, look right there and say, hi, Upper Mount Bethel.
Hi, Upper Mount Bethel.
All right, well, this is a great day. We've got a bunch of the residents out here looking at the fire trucks, playing games, eating popcorn, having donuts. Thanks.